Good morning, everyone. I'm so excited right now. Who's calling me? Oh, Natalie. I'm gonna have to call her right back. Wait, hang on. I'm gonna answer this. Okay, guys, I'm finally starting off my vlog. Hello, everybody. Maggie's a tan little bean from Aruba. I'm so out of it right now from my class. But yeah, what was I gonna tell them? We haven't been to Sarah's class in so long, so I was so tired. It was hard.
Like we used to be able to like zip through, and I feel like we would never stop.
So
like,
and I
drank my cold water, and I was like
struggling. Maybe because I didn't finish my coffee before and I had zero energy. I don't know. Oh, but I was gonna tell you guys when I was walking in. But then Natalie FaceTimed me that I'm actually really happy because every day for like 2 months I've been checking to see if I could get into this class I wanted to take in the spring. And finally today I checked and a seat was open, so I got to register for it. So it's kind of like a weight off my shoulders that I'm taking the classes I want to take. I'm still drinking my coffee from like 9 a.m. You look like a little baller in your jacket. That's so cute.
like, not gonna lie. I was like, okay, I've worn this so many times on Instagram. Like, maybe I should sell it on POSHMARK if someone else wants it. You know?
Yeah. No, I like it. It's so you. It's so cute. Bye, chicken nugget. You wanna know what you look like?
What?
The marathon runners that have the metal blankets on after they run.
After they like win the race.
Look at her. Aw, cutie. Guys, I asked Max to come to sweet green with me and he goes, okay. And then you text me and we're like, I think I'm gonna get a burger. So look it. We got burger.
Burger.
We said in 2019 we were gonna be healthy.
These are healthy.
I haven't had a burger honestly since we like went to Five Guys though. Or no, that's a lie. When's the last time I had a burger? Probably Five Guys. I've never been to Wahlburgers.
I had burgers last night. Ding ding.
We did?
By Chloe.
Oh, we did.
It's not a real burger.
Yeah, that was like a black bean burger. Guys, Max was right. I just told him I needed a burger, but I didn't realize I needed it until I just ate it.
How do you feel?
Really good, actually.
Yeah.
And also, they didn't give me water, they gave me seltzer, like tonic water, and it's like bubbly and weird. I don't like that. Yeah, that's what Taylor gets at restaurants. She goes, may I have a club soda with lemon or lime? I'm like, I think that's what moms do. Now we're going to get her sweet green because I told her I was going there, but really we got burgers instead. I had something else to tell them. Now I don't remember. Oh, yeah, if you're wondering, my pre-Miami diet, it's burgers.
Me too.
Yeah. I wish you were coming, Nugget. Squishy, muffin.
I wouldn't do
Sugar.
well in the Miami sun.
Oh, no, you wouldn't. You're scaring me. Guys, me and Max do this thing where we always think the same thing.
You beat me to it.
No way, you were not gonna say that. Wait, come back. Babe, come back. Wait, also look at, I think I hit these tires right here. Woo! Echo! Babe, someone's gonna be down here. Woo! Max is in a mood, everyone. Wait, I don't think I locked my car. Oh, I did lock Coco. He just found Phoenix. I'm like, how did you not listen to Listomania and like all those songs? Like, you've heard that.
That's the only one I've heard.
So he was blasting it in the garage and was getting really hyped. And then, wait, and then he was saying something and I was like, and I go, headaches, you give me headaches, you know, from Drake and Josh. And he was like, I was gonna say that, because we always think of the same thing. Okay, guys, I'm interrupting my packing because as I've been cleaning through my closet, there's so many things in there that literally I don't have time to wear, or that, like this for example, I just like wore all the time in high school and it's so cozy and so fluffy and like nice and new feeling, but like I have so many other sweatshirts. So anyway, what I'm trying to say is I'm going to be trying to post a lot more on Poshmark because I just have so so many clothes that I literally don't have room for. And I know I've talked about Poshmark before, and a lot of you definitely already know what it is, but if you don't know, obviously it's just like an app where you can sell clothes and buy clothes that you don't wear as much anymore, or like even new stuff. Like I probably have so many clothes in there with the tags still on them because it's stuff that I buy that I think I'll wear and then I don't actually. So really, I should just be giving them to you guys so that you can buy them and wear them. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, so I will have Poshmark linked down below so you guys can download it. It's like free to download, and I know that my closet is Gretchen with 5 N's if you want to check it out. Also, I think you can just use my name, like Gretchen with 5 N's, as a code, and you'll get $5 off your first purchase if you haven't used Poshmark before. So I just want to show you some things I'm going to be posting on there, and if you're interested, definitely go check it out. So I have my Patagonia. This is a medium, and it's just this really fluffy gray, like oversized with like navy, and like it's so cozy and warm, and like I love my clothes and don't want to get rid of them, but I know that I have so many other sweatshirts like this, like the one I'm wearing, so it's like I don't even have time to wear this anymore, but it's so cozy and it needs a good new home. Then this I've worn a couple times. This is from Grey Bandit, but again I have like so many sweatshirts, especially like cropped ones. This is a gray one, has some distressing and some stripes down the sleeve, so super cute. This will be on there too. Then also another thing that I have so many of, leggings. I'm wearing some right now. I just went to Seoul, and yeah, I just have too many leggings and not enough places to put them. So this is just a Gymshark pair, and this is like a really pretty red color. Yeah, they're like these really thick but like stretchy soft ones, and they're cropped, super cute. Worn them a couple times, but I know you guys would get more use out of them than I would. And then the last two things I want to show you, I just want to get like a bunch of different brands and styles of stuff to show you right now, to show you there's like a range of stuff you'll find on there. This, I know that they had at Urban Outfitters, but this I actually got a boutique on Abbot Kinney in LA. It's by the brand Nude, and it's just this really, really cropped, cute cream long sleeve sweater. Maggie and me both had it, but I've worn it a bunch of times, and I'm like, I probably won't wear it that much anymore, so that's gonna be my Poshmark. And then this I actually have 2 of. I think I bought it twice because I really like it, so I'm like, wait, I don't need 2 of those. So it's just this light pink sportswear from Fabletics. This is like one of my favorite styles that they have, and it just has some crossing detail in the back. Kind of looks like, you know, those Lululemon ones, but yeah, this is Fabletics. So that will all be on my Poshmark. Again, it will be linked down below so you guys can check it out. I know they have like literally so many brands on there, like all the brands I just showed you. They have like, I don't know, just like such a wide range. Like I know they have really high-end stuff, like there'll be like Louis Vuitton and like Michael Kors, stuff like that, but then there'll also be like Nike, Lululemon, like Forever 21. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say about that, and I'm gonna show you everything that I'm packing. Okay guys, packing is going great. I'm actually almost done, believe it or not. These are all my like bottoms. Like I have some jeans and shorts, and then I just have like 3 tops, and then these are all my workout clothes. I just have some sports bras and leggings because we're really not going that long. And I'm asking how many to pick my bathing suits. Okay, how many should I bring? 3, 4? 4. Okay, I picked out 6. So we have to get rid of 2.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Okay.
Strapless. The same one but in white. I like really want to bring this one. I already know.
Okay, white.
Okay. And then I think I want to bring this one. Isn't it fun? It's like blue. It's like half blue and white, the top. This one?
Sure.
Okay. Then that same white one but in yellow. Purple. A different cheetah, or this rose color.
Yellow.
Okay. One more.
Cheetah.
Okay. Not purple or the other one. I don't want to bring all of them.
No, bring them all. They don't.
Okay, that was a fail. I'm bringing all of them. They're the ones I picked out to bring. And then I have a pair of nude heels, flip-flops, sweatpants, some PJ stuff, like a romper, a leopard set, a little sweater, and I think that's it. I'm really trying to not overpack. I'm gonna wear Max's brown sweatshirt, and not this one, the other hockey one, and then leggings and sneakers. Oh my god, look at my shelf. It's such a mess over there. And sneakers and leggings on the plane. And what am I forgetting, Max? I have undies, socks, bathing suits,
Tanning lotion,
bottoms, tops. I don't think I'm gonna bring Loving Tan. I think I left my tanning oil in Hawaii, but I'll just like buy more once I get to Miami. Oh, I have Sun Bomb Cool Down. I'll bring this. Should I bring my shimmer spray that you got me? So that I can shine, Max, on the beach? Or, actually, I'm not gonna, because that's good for not at the beach. That's good for like night and stuff. What I'm gonna bring for the beach is, it came with this. It's like a Kopari shiny gold thing. This is the coconut melt stuff. I just actually put this all over my face. It's like coconut oil. Someone told me that coconut oil, one of you commented that coconut oil actually clogs your pores, and I was saying that my pores get clogged sometimes, but I don't know, it just makes my face like glow after I put it on, and it moisturizes it really well. But I want to show you guys. Wait, I'm gonna go found it. I put it in my Alex drawers. This is the Kopari Coconut Body Glow. So if I'm looking all glowy on the beach, you know why. I'm gonna bring that. Hopefully I remember to use it. I'm really bad at remembering to use stuff that I bring. Yeah, this has like all my toiletries now, makeup, and I have like 2 of these at Max's house. So then I have to bring a new pack for me. And oh, I have a good, I already packed my mini travel version of this because this is like my favorite lotion. I have my travel shampoo, conditioner, body wash, hairbrush, face lotion. There's just so many things to remember, people.
No.
Guys, I just relaxed. I surprised him. Look at all of the clothes I have to hang up. They're all clean. I just put them in a pile. It's not gross, it's clean. Bags! They were all like there and up there. But now we're gonna hang them up. I'm gonna help you. We'll do it together. It'll be twice as quick. Surprise! Okay guys, this night is taking an exciting turn. We just decided, the lighting's so weird in here now. We just decided that we would go to Cheesecake Factory for dinner. We were gonna go to Genki Ya, which we love for sushi. Hello, why is it not focused? I think it's focused now. Are they trying to park here? Okay, we're back. Yeah, this is not the time to wait around. We had to drive because we're going to Cheesecake. And me and Max have never been to Cheesecake Factory together, which I think is so funny.
Why are you always gonna play with me at Cheesecake?
That we've never been. But the issue is, guys, it is 6:33 and The Bachelor is on at 8. So we gotta make this snappy. I'm trying to figure out in my head right now what I want because their menu's so long, like I don't even know. I just shipped Mandy her birthday present, and yeah, also I told him that if he liked the white bread instead of the brown bread, we're breaking up, but he likes the brown bread, so it's all good. This looks like a tree. It looks like a log. I didn't even know that they had like Mexican food.
Oh yeah, they have all sorts of food.
This is like the biggest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell us about your talent?
I was just trying to tell him something funny. Anyway, I got the 4-cheese pasta, and you know what, guys? I ordered it, and then I posted on my Instagram story about what I should get the 4-cheese pasta for the steak Diane, because I was like posting it as our like waitress came. So then I just ordered the pasta because I knew that you guys were gonna say the pasta, and guess what? You said the pasta. I knew you better than you even thought I knew you, but the pasta it is. Because I've gotten the steak Diane so many times, but the 4-cheese pasta with the chicken is just the move. Max, this is what I was telling you about, ricotta. I go, before we date any further, you should know I'm a ricotta girl. So good, thank you.
Very good.
I like can't believe. Max was like, this is like an infant. He's literally gonna throw up. He ate so much food. And he ate so much bread. You're so close. Almost there.
I can't do it.
I always think about how food is so weird. Like, I don't think this is the right word, but like it's so relative. Like, think about like tomorrow before lunch, you're gonna be like, oh, I'm starving. Like, I wish I had like the rest of that burrito, you know? But then like, right now we're like, ew, food disgusts us. But other times you're like, oh, I'm so hungry. Like, that's how it goes, but anyway. We're late to The Bachelor. Colin's waiting. 7:57.
Oh, so not late yet.
I found it.
You found my phone?
Yeah, Snapchat from Han.
Hannah! Okay, everyone, it is 10:14 p.m. And Max, are you pooping? He probably is. He ate a burrito the size of a child.
People, I have a question for you. Do you still listen to Pandora radio?
Wait, I forgot I was gonna make that an Instagram poll. Guys, Taylor still listens to Pandora. Please comment down below if you still listen to Pandora, because I made fun of her. I roasted her so bad the other day. Because I only listened to Pandora when I was in the 6th grade, I think. And then the 7th grade. And then like Spotify became a thing and I was like, okay, Spotify.
And I mix in Apple Music.
That's like normal. I've never used Apple Music, but I just use Spotify, but like.
I hear a
yeah.
wild MW.
Max Bowman, me too. Are you making oatmeal? He literally was so full after his burrito. He was like, I'm gonna throw up. And then we get home, he's like, I could use a snack. I'm like,
Boys. Max,
just make two.
Maxie, have the other kind that I have.
No, I'm gonna do this one.
Oh,
He's making 2 instant oatmeals. Yeah, please let us know if you. I used to tennis. Please let us know if you use Pandora, because I'm really intrigued. Also, we just watched The Bachelor, and so far I'm thinking that this season's really cringy. All the girls just seem like they're such big fans of like him, you know what I mean? Or like the show. Like, it's like when you know everything about someone and then you meet them in person and you're like, hi. Like, I don't know, it seems weird.
Yeah, boys.
But anyway, we have to go to bed because we gotta get up at like 7 to go to the airport for Miami.
Aeroporto.
Yeah, that's gonna be a new vlog. That's gonna be a fun travel vlog. Taylor, I really didn't pack that many clothes. I packed light. Because I'm gonna wear like a t-shirt the whole time. I brought 6 bathing suits just in case.
Yeah, boys.
Okay, thanks for watching today's vlog. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Why are you upset? Because I didn't stay in the bathroom while you brush your teeth?
I'm brushing my teeth. How rude. How rude. Okay, wanna see? I was saying I remember how to go like side to side. But I can't go up and down anymore. It's like
Oh my god, that's so bad. It looked like you were hula hooping.